Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best gel press-ons is probably one of the most exciting innovations in the beauty world, offering salon-quality nails in the comfort of your own home. These kits promise a quick, easy, and affordable way to achieve stunning manicures. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of gel press-on nails, exploring everything you need to know to find the perfect kit for your needs. Number 5. Beetles Gel Nail Glue Kit. This new kit includes two 15ml bottles of nail glue gel. It's designed for easy nail extensions and DIY fun. This versatile glue can be used as a base gel, blooming gel, rhinestone glue, and slip solution. Try it out and see the magic. Unlike traditional nail glue, this formula is safe and low odor. It's designed to be gentle on your nails, providing a comfortable experience. Please note that while quality inspected, it may cause allergic reactions in some individuals. If you have allergies, use with caution. Extend your nails in just 3 minutes and enjoy them for over 28 days. The specially developed formula offers the best break-resistant support. Remember, it needs to be cured under a UV LED lamp for 60 to 90 seconds. It's easy to apply and dries quickly. This glue is compatible with all soak-off gel nail polishes. It's suitable for natural nails, artificial nails, and nail tips. Please note the same allergy warning applies. If any discomfort occurs, stop using it immediately. This product is for nail use only. Carefully read the directions. Avoid contact with eyes, mouth, and skin. Rinse immediately with water if contact occurs. Seek medical attention if any adverse reaction occurs. Keep it out of reach of children. What we like. This kit offers a 5-in-1 nail glue, making it incredibly versatile. It's also formulated to be safe and low odor, ensuring a comfortable experience. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution for nail extensions, nail art, and repairs, this is a great choice. What people say. The Beetles Gel Nail Glue is amazing. It has a strong, long-lasting hold that keeps my Gel-X nails secure for weeks without lifting. The brush makes it so easy to apply smoothly, and I really like that it works perfectly with my LED lamp. Half of the nail tips are already etched, which makes the adhesion to your nails last much longer, 2 to 3 weeks. Number 4. Modelones Short Almond Fake Nail Tips. Want to easily extend your nails and enjoy DIY manicures? These pre-buffed gel nail tips from Modelones are perfect for you. The half-matte texture design increases friction and adhesion. These full-cover, half-matte false nail tips are made with high-quality material. They are breathable, lightweight, and durable, making your nails look natural. They are also toxin-free, odorless, and harmless to your nails and health. Extend your nails in just 3 minutes and enjoy them for over 28 days. The specially developed formula provides the best break-resistant support for your extended nails. You will love it. The Modelones nail extension set includes 510 short almond nail tips in 15 different sizes. Each size is individually numbered, making it easy to find the perfect fit for every finger. These nail tips are versatile and can be used with gel nail polish, liner gel art, press-on nails, acrylic nails, dip powder, and poly nail extension gel. They are great for salon use or DIY nail art at home, suitable for any event. What we like. These tips come pre-shaped, saving you time and effort. The half-matte texture enhances adhesion, and they are designed to be break-resistant. If you like a natural look with easy application and long-lasting wear, you should consider this. What people say. They come with like 15 different sizes. I am sure you will find your size for each nail. They are super fast to use since they come pre-filed inside. The size is very comfortable, neither too long nor too short. And the best part is that they last a long time. They last me more than a month. I stick them with the Beetles nail glue. Number 3. OHORA and Basic Nails. Number 3. Semi-cured gel strips. This complete set includes everything you need for a perfect manicure. It comes with 30 nail wraps in various sizes, 2 prep pads, a nail file, and a wooden stick. It's designed to make application easy and convenient. These semi-cured gel nails are made with real liquid gel and are designed to fit all nail sizes and shapes. Whether your nails are round or square, they will look fabulous. The pre-cured design ensures a perfect fit. Enjoy salon-quality nails that last. With its waterproof top gel layer, these nail stickers can last up to 2 weeks when fully cured under a UV lamp. You won't have to worry about them chipping off. No time for the salon? These semi-cured gel nail strips are easy to use, file, cure, and remove. Even beginners can achieve fabulous-looking nails in minutes. It's a quick and easy way to get a professional look. These gel nail wraps are vegan and animal-friendly. They are not tested on animals and don't contain any animal-derived ingredients. They are completely safe to use, without any harsh chemicals. What we like? These semi-cured gel strips offer salon-quality results in minutes. They are easy to apply, file, and cure, perfect for beginners. If you are looking for a quick and easy way to achieve beautiful nails without a lot of time or effort, you should consider this. What people say. I find them very easy to put on and they last at least a week. They don't make your natural nails brittle because you don't need to file them off. This package comes with 2 full sets for basic wear, short nails, or point wear. And the designs are so beautiful. Number 2. Saviland Mini Nail Lamp 16W. This mini nail lamp is compact and easy to carry. You can create nail art anywhere, anytime with this one-finger design. It cures evenly without any dead zones. The lamp has a large 180 degrees opening, allowing flexible insertion from different directions. It's perfect for any nail length, ensuring complete and even drying of the gel. This lamp supports various nail art types, including gel polish and builder gel. It offers quick curing times, with your nails done in just minutes. It's efficient and gets the job done fast. The UV LED light is designed for safety, with a maximum power of 16 watts. It's made of high-quality, non-toxic materials, and won't harm your eyes or skin. The default timer is 60 seconds, ensuring safe use. This UV nail light is compatible with many gel polish brands. It's a versatile tool for both professional salon use and at-home manicures. This makes it a great choice for everyone. What we like? This mini nail lamp is designed for portability, allowing you to do your nails anywhere. It offers quick drying times and is compatible with various gel polish brands. If you travel frequently or need a convenient solution for on-the-go manicures, you should consider this. What people say. It's super lightweight and easy to carry around, which makes it perfect for travel or quick touch-ups at home. Even though it's tiny, it cures gel polish really well. I used it on a couple of layers, and everything dried evenly without any smudging. Compact and absolutely love how quickly it cures the gel. Number 1. Saviland Toenail Tips and Solid Glue Gel Kit. Introducing the Saviland Toenail Tips and Solid Glue Gel Kit. This kit provides everything you need for beautiful, salon-quality toenails right at home. It's easy to use and perfect for anyone who loves DIY nail art. The kit includes 500 clear press-on toenail tips, solid nail glue gel, base and top coats, a mini UV LED lamp, and essential nail tools. You'll have everything you need to create stunning toenails. This comprehensive set ensures a perfect pedicure experience. The Saviland acrylic toenail tips are made from durable ABS material. They are strong, clear, and designed to last. With 10 different sizes, you're sure to find the perfect fit for your toes. The solid nail glue gel is made from natural resin, ensuring a smooth, bubble-free application. The base coat enhances adhesion, while the top coat provides a glossy, wear-resistant finish. This ensures your toenails look great for longer. The mini UV nail lamp cures gels quickly and efficiently. The included nail file, buffer, cuticle pusher, and separators make the application process easier. These tools help you achieve professional-looking results. This kit makes an ideal gift for friends and nail art enthusiasts. Remember to store it in a cool place and perform a skin allergy test before use. Enjoy creating beautiful toenails with this amazing kit. What we like? This kit is specifically designed for toenails, providing a complete set of tools and tips. It includes a mini UV lamp and all the essentials for a perfect pedicure. If you want a comprehensive kit for beautiful and durable toenails, you should consider this. What people say. The nails are perfect. They come with a bunch of different sizes to fit all nail types and are very durable and last weeks even with doing daily dishes and house cleaning. The tips in this kit are very sturdy ABS. The lamp is perfectly capable of curing polygel, and the tips are really quite nice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.